Everyone has a right to a gun. Nothing can take that away from you. What you lack is the right to the lives of your children. The portal has been installed in every classroom, funded by bake sales and cereal box tops bought at the expense of pencils and math books and a music teacher. Michelle also means business. She isn't fooled by this Narnia shit, the soft black eyes of the twee little jacket. She doesn't trust a mouse with a gun. The idea of a castle is to protect the things you love by walling them in and daring your enemies to take them. Castles were once the sites of war, and their names evoked the bloodshed. Scarborough, Dover, Prudhoe, Kenilworth, Columbine, Sandy Hook, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas, Robb.